The struggle against enforced disappearances in Balochistan is deeply concerning. The families of the disappeared often face immense challenges in their quest for justice. They endure emotional trauma and uncertainty, not knowing the fate or whereabouts of their loved ones. Moreover, they often encounter obstacles when attempting to seek legal recourse or bring attention to their cases, facing intimidation and harassment. A report. In Balochistan, various groups, including human rights organizations and activists, have documented numerous cases of enforced disappearances. The victims are often activists, journalists, students, or members of the Baloch nationalist movement perceived as threats to the state or its interests. The disappearances are typically accompanied by allegations of torture, extrajudicial killings, and other forms of human rights abuses. Families of the disappeared individuals are left in a state of uncertainty and anguish, not knowing the fate or whereabouts of their loved ones. This year, there have been some attacks on Balochistan's security forces and installations in the last few months. The Pakistani army is now using this as a justification for all of its illicit operations in the region.
बलूचिस्तान में जारी जंग में इस वक्त जो सबसे ज़्यादा मुतासरा इलाके हैं उनमें से एक मशक़े अवारान भी है। मशक़े के इलाके तंग में एक महीना पहले फ़ौजी चौकी पर हमला हुआ। उस हमले के बाद वहाँ के जो मकामी लोग हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा मुतासर हैं और वो एक अज़ियतनाक और ज़लालत की ज़िंदगी गुजारने पर मजबूर हैं। वो अपनी मामूली ज़िंदगी और रोज़गार और कमाई को छोड़ने पर मजबूर हैं, जहाँ सुबह सवेरे वहाँ के तमाम मर्दों को जो है फ़ौज इकट्ठा करती है और अपनी फ़ौजी चौकियों में लेकर जाती है, जहाँ पर उनसे गुलामों की तरह मजदूरी का काम करवाया जाता है।
In Balochistan, disappearances are often labeled by the government as self-inflicted, masking a long history of marginalization. Since Pakistan's annexation of the province in 1948, separatist movements have persisted, fueled by grievances over resource exploitation and lack of local benefit. Armed groups have clashed with Pakistani forces for independence, met with military retaliation. Balochistan has become a region of intense conflict with numerous families desperately searching for their missing relatives. Baloch women are bravely joining sit-in demonstrations, yet they are subjected to various forms of harsh treatment by state authorities. Similar incidents occurred with women who were protesting in Mashkai for their rights and safety.
दौरान एहतजाज इन ख़वातीन को डराया गया है, वहाँ के डेथ स्क्वाड के हाथों इनको धमकाया गया है और बड़ी मुश्किल के बाद इन ख़वातीन की वीडियोस हम तक पहुँची हैं और हम तमाम लोगों से दरख्वास्त करते हैं कि इन ख़वातीन की, इन बेबस माँओं और बहनों की आवाज़ बने और इस रियासती जबर के ख़िलाफ़ बलूचिस्तान के लोगों का साथ दें।
Baloch activists have been reaching out globally to various platforms, organizations, and individuals to draw attention to the challenges faced by the Baloch people. Their appeals span social media, international forums, human rights organizations, and diplomatic channels, aiming to garner support and solidarity from around the world. The appeals made by Baloch activists for international solidarity emphasize the urgency of the situation and the need for support in exposing and addressing the brutality faced by the people of Balochistan. This call for solidarity is not just about raising awareness but also about urging action to address the injustices and human rights violations occurring in the region. By rallying international support, Baloch activists hope to amplify their voices and push for tangible change and accountability from relevant authorities.